Hello guys, how are you? I hope so that you guys would be good. So just coming up with a new video regarding Indian pricing of the newly coming iPhone 13 series. So that is going to be launched in the next month, that is September. So most likely in the third week of September, that is confirmed. So as you know guys that we are being already at the verge of getting new iPhones next month. So a lot of people they used to think about the pricing that we can expect in India. So nowadays, so we know that in India the pricing is being a little bit higher, little bit it is being very expensive as comparison to US, Dubai and all. So in this video we're going to discuss about the pricing of Indian iPhone 13 series, which is going to be launched in the next month. So first of all, we have been getting the four models in iPhone 13 series as the 12 series, like 13 mini, 13, 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. So four models we have been getting in this next month in September, and we have been getting three variants in 13 and 13 mini, that is 64 GB variant. The second one is 128 and the third one is 256 GB variant. But in Pro models you will be getting three variants, that is 128, 256 and 512 GB variant. So a lot of people they have been rumored about that we can expect 1 TB variant also in Pro models only, not in 13 mini and 13 iPhone, but in Pro models you will be getting 1 TB, but still it is not being confirmed. A lot of people they have been saying about this, that after they have introduced the concept of RAW in photos. So after you switching on the RAW in your photos, you will be seeing that the size of your photograph is being very larger. So according to that, so they just wanted to they just wanted to launch a 1 TB variant in Pro models also. So let's see, but it's not been confirmed. Let's see whether they will launch 1 TB variant or not. So let's check it out. The Indian pricing, the mostly confirmed pricing of newly coming iPhone 13 series in India, so that accordingly you can save your money, you can plan whatever you want. So let's check it out. So regarding 13 series, as you know that almost all the leaks have already come out. So now we know that what are the things, what are the updates that we can expect in the coming iPhone 13 series. So not much of the updates as comparison to 12 series, but still whatever the updates would be there. So that matters the most for the iPhone users, especially for me. Regarding we have been getting like smaller notch, and there would be a better the bigger setup of the cameras in Pro models, and there would be a diagonal set of cameras in 13 and 13 mini models. Plus the most important thing that we have been getting 120 hertz display in 13 series, and the battery would be bigger, and the chipset A15, the newly chipset A15 we have been getting in 13 series, that would be very fast. So these some of the things that we are being expecting in the newly coming 13 series regarding its design. So now let's check it out, that the price that we can expect from the Indian variants from India, that if you guys just want to buy from India, that what are the expectations of the prices, that what are the how much price we have to pay just to buy any of the iPhone 13 models. So let's check it out. So in India we have to pay the same pricing as whatever we had been paid at the time of the launch of 12 series last year. So whatever the price that we got in iPhone 12 series regarding the same four models, so the same price, it is being confirmed that the same pricing we have to pay for the 13 series models also. So like for the iPhone 13 mini, so for 64 GB you have to pay 69,900, for 128 GB 74,900, and 256, that is 84,900. And for iPhone 13s, for 64 79,900, 128 84,900, and 256 GB 94,900. So quite expensive as the 12 series, but the same prices we have to pay. And for the Pro models, that would be expensive. For iPhone 13 Pro 128 1,19,900, for 256 1 29,900, 512 1,49,900, and the topmost, that is 13 Pro Max for 128, 1,29,900, and for 256 GB 1,39,900, and for the biggest model 512 GB, that is 1,59,900. So these are being some of the prices that it's being already confirmed that you have to pay. You have to if you just want to buy any of the 13 series models, so these are the prices that you have to pay for that in India. So, and but if you just want to buy in US or in Dubai, so you will be get it cheaper than India. So if you got a chance to buy from US and Dubai, so I'm being recommending that don't buy from India. So hope so that you guys would be getting a better picture of the Indian pricing of the newly coming iPhone 13 series. So these are being the prices that we have been expecting at the time of launch of iPhone 13 series in India in next month. So most probably it would be launched in third week of September, and it would be available in India in the first week of October. So I hope so that you guys would find this information very attractive and very useful. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more info about Apple products. So we'll meet you guys in my next video.